medications, side effects, and sky-high price tags, versus oats, beans, apples, and avocado. The Ozempic craze is real, but here's the twist. Your body already makes the exact same hunger-crushing hormone for free, GLP-1, if you feed it right. Let's look at the science of fullness. GLP-1, glucagon-like peptide 1, is a hormone released by L cells inside the gut. When GLP-1 rises, you feel pleasantly full, you crave less, your stomach empties more slowly, and blood sugar is steadier. Steady energy makes weight loss feel less like a fight against willpower. Here's how food turns on natural satiety. Two levers move GLP-1, fiber and protein. Soluble, gel-forming fiber, think of the goodness in oats, barley, apples, beans, and chia. These types of foods slow digestion. Down in your gut, friendly microbes ferment the fiber into short-chain fatty acids, which nudge L cells to release more GLP-1. Protein helps too. Amino acids in high-quality protein trigger satiety signals alongside GLP-1, so meals feel complete without overeating. Aim for 30 grams of fiber and a solid protein anchor at each meal. Avoid ultra-processed foods because they sidestep your natural fullness signal. Drink water, chew slowly, and stop at comfortably full. GLP-1 really does all the heavy lifting. Medication can help some people, but for many of us, the daily foods that grow our gut microbes can unlock the same satiety pathway, naturally, sustainably, and at supermarket prices. So which GLP-1 boosting foods will be on your grocery list this week? Create an Eating Love membership to see the difference natural GLP-1 weight loss makes for you.